Hello everyone, this is teacher Sherlyn from BlueTree Education. Today I'll be sharing another math concept with you and we'll be using the Singapore model drawing method. So let's get started. Jack had 3 times as many badges as Ron at first. After Ron bought 15 badges and Jack gave 55 of his badges to his best friend, both boys had an equal number of badges. How many badges did Ron have in the end? So let us start by drawing the model. So since both of them actually had an equal number of badges in the end, we will start off by drawing the double-decker bus. So a double-decker bus means that whatever that Jack has is actually equals to whatever that Ron have in the end. So now we're going to work backwards because we started off from the end. You know that Ron actually bought 15 badges. So this small portion here will actually be equals to 15. And Jack actually gave 55 of his badges to his friend. Alright, so let's return that 55 back to Jack. Now let's focus on Ron's model. If that small portion there is actually that 15 badges that Ron bought, we know that this portion for Jack will also be 15 because they are actually exactly the same. So now let's take a look at the first sentence. They say that Jack had 3 times as many badges as Ron at first. This means that this will actually be 3 units for Jack and this will be 1 unit for Ron. So now the question is asking us to find out how many badges did Ron have in the end. So this is what we are trying to find out here. So now let's take a look at Ron's model. We know that that white portion there is actually 1 unit. This actually means that Jack also has 1 unit here. And if Jack has 1 unit here, and we know that Jack had a total of 3 units at first, this portion here will be 2 units. So now let's link this information up. 2 units will actually be 15 plus 55, and we will get 70. So now let's find out what 1 unit is. We will take 70 divided by 2, and we know that 1 unit is actually equals to 35. So now let's find out how many badges did Ron have in the end. So Ron actually has 1 unit plus 15 in the end. So that will be 35 plus 15. And we will have the final answer of 50.